Okay, let's go back to our charts and have a look at the next share. Okay, Adobe we were looking at, and we said that this could be a buy right now. Let's just remind ourselves. If we go out, okay, yep, so it could be a buy right now. Let's look at the live chart again. It bounced last time we looked. And you can see that's a 1 minute chart, so that's a bit crazy. But on an hourly chart, you can see, yes, today it has gone up. It's actually pulled back slightly, which is a good time to get in. So this looks ready to go. So let's get rid of that chart. And now if we zoom in a bit, this has a nice bit of space to run. Looks good. Let's zoom in. Where would we want our stop? Well, really, if it drops much below here, that would be where we'd want our stop. If it drops much below this point here. Question is, if it dropped below there, would we have got the trade wrong? If it went, I'd want to add enough fluff here to make sure it really had started to go down. But if we had it down here somewhere, then I would know the trade had gone wrong. Where will we buy? We'll buy right now. It's ready to go. So let's have a look. The current price is up here. I can see the current price. Well, that was the price at the close yesterday. We can check the price now in a second, but it was 28.6. So again, let's buy $4,000 worth divided by 28 gives us 142. So again, let's round it. Let's round it to the nearest number. Let's have 140. So if we go back over to our account and the symbol, we were buying Adobe. So ADBE, and we're buying quantity. We're going to buy 140. Again, we're buying at market because we're buying this right now. It's day. Again, let's do the all or none. And let's preview the order. It will tell us, is all of this correct? Yes, the amount's correct. That's fine. Okay, so we'll now place the order. Okay, and there's our acknowledgement, so that's fine. So let's go back to our charts again, and let's look at the next one. Okay, this was the short, and let's just remind ourselves. Okay, yep, going down. We're not sure which one of these it's going to hit, but it does look like it's still going down. When would we get in? We'd get in now because it's already dropped below this level here. Let's again just look at the live chart. I always like to look at a live chart if the market's open, just to see what's happening. By the way, you could be trading in the evening and you could just be placing stops for all of these. Okay, yeah, still trending down. But this is today. Today it's kind of gone sideways, but it just looks like it's on its way down. So everything looks fine, ready to do this trade now. So where would our stop be? Our stop would be if it breaks back up above here. We want to buy back into the trade because remember we're shorting this trade. So let's go to place the trade now. Oh, first of all, let's have a look at the price. Price is about 23. So again, let's do our $4,000 worth divided by 23. 173. So let's call it 170. Okay, back to our trading software. Oh, which share was it? CTAS. CTAS, and we are selling short. Market again, and it's 170 shares, and all of these can stay the same. Day, all or none, preview the order, just check everything's correct. Selling short, yeah, that's all correct, and we place the order. And there's our order acknowledgement, so that's all fine. Okay, let's go back to the charts. And the next share. Okay, yeah, this was another up trade. And let's just remind ourselves again. Yeah, nice clear trend. It pulled back and it bounced as well. Yeah, looks good. Let's zoom back in. And let's again look at a live chart. Okay, and hourly, yeah, it's been going up today. It's fine, it's bounced. Okay, so this one's ready to trade. Let's go back out slightly. No, this is fine actually. So where would our stop be? So how would we know when the share had gone the wrong way? Well, we'd want to. It would need to have broken down below these moving averages. So down here somewhere. Yeah, probably around about this point, I think. Around about the 48 mark. Is that acceptable? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we can buy this right now. By the way, I haven't been going into vast detail about the stops at this stage because I'm going to specifically do a lesson on stops. There's several things I want to share with you first that are very powerful on setting your stops. So really, I suppose this lesson I'm focusing on the buy, and then we'll have another lesson where equally as important, or maybe even more important, is focusing on the stops as well. But I still wanted to give you a rough idea of where I'd put the stops in this session. So let's go to our trading software. Oh, well, first of all, let's look at the price. So it's about 53. Again, let's do the same kind of amount. So $4,000 divided by 53 gives us 75. Okay, fine. Let's do 75. So we're going to buy these straight away. Oh, let's remind ourselves of the ticker. It's FCX. So FCX, and it was 75, and we're going to buy them. And all of that information is correct. So let's preview the order, and that's all fine. And let's place the order.